In primetime news this evening, rescued. Members of fishing crew missing for over a week found alive. More or fewer restrictions. Promoters hail success of first big entertainment event since relaxed measures, but others say shut it down again. And later, crime threatens economic progress in Clarendon.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your expectations now that the sexual harassment legislation has been passed in the lower house? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.